and passive elements. Today our topic is active elements and second one is the passive elements. Active and passive elements. First of all, I would like to define the active elements. Active elements. What are the active elements in electrical and electronics? Active elements are those elements which used to deliver and observe the energy, that is coming under the active elements, which used to deliver and observe the energy, that is coming under the active elements. For example, is that your transistor. Our transistor is the good example of active element, because in the transistor, if we are giving some voltage and at the output end we are going to get the amplified voltage, it means our energy is delivering. Okay guys, then our transistor is one of the active elements. And what about the other elements which possess these characteristics that coming under the active elements? Okay guys, next example I could give you battery source. Next is the voltage source, current source. These are the active elements example, under which you could see they are give the supply up to long duration of time. That's why it is called the active elements. And as well as they will deliver and absorb the energy. Both characteristics, if they are having, they coming under the active elements. Okay, could we summarize it? Yes, active elements are those elements which possess the energy delivery and observing, as well as they will deliver or observe for the long duration of time. That's coming under the active elements. You could see the transistor, you could see the op-amp, operational amplifier. In that one also, our value going to be increase. Okay guys, that is called the active elements. Next, passive elements. Next our topic is passive elements. Passive elements are those elements which observe energy, and they cannot deliver the energy for the long time. They can observe the energy for the long time, but they cannot deliver the energy for the long time. Example of the passive element is your capacitor, resistor and inductor. Guys, here some of the student might be getting confused that capacitor sometimes working as a battery also. But guys, in that situation, capacitor we could use for delivering the energy for the short duration of time. Means it is coming under the passive elements. Active elements means long duration of the delivering of the energy is coming under that active elements. Is it clear? I hope These active and passive elements are clear to all. Okay guys, you could see in this